Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to write the description or write a portfolio page with the projects and details of that projects mentioned with the help of Claude AI. So for that, the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is to approach it through the right approach. So this is my GitHub. I have all the portfolio projects listed here. So if I want to go ahead and ask the Claude AI, first thing is that I need to go to the Claude application, then go to the add from GitHub option, and it will say continue to GitHub site. All I have to do is to select the right one. As you guys can see that I have my profile is Ashir40 and I selected this one. If I want to add any repository from here, I can simply drop the link over here. So let's suppose I drop a link and I will say write a description for this project to be mentioned inside my report. So by giving this simple prompt, you will be able to access the GitHub because I have already tested the GitHub. You guys can do it as well. It will go ahead and search for the repository that I want to go with, which is the upbit. If I go here, I will see that there will be an upbit. Let me just see. Here's my repo, which is upbit over here. And this is the one that I want to create the notes for. All I have to do is to ask the Claude for it. I've done so and it will do it through this way. So by following these steps, you will be able to get all the data. And even if it somehow wouldn't be able to find the exact repo, you guys can always drop the link like this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, I guess. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.